This lovely home is nestled in own private oasis created by a beautiful extensive garden. Charming inside and out, this home has a great deal to offer. There's 2 entertaining spaces, the spacious living room efficient pellet stove and the large family room with access to the laundry room, which includes lots of storage space. The dining room and kitchen, updated quartz counters and a huge pantry. The primary bedroom is nice sized with a closet that has convenient built-in shelving. The other 2 rooms are also good sized and both offer closets. They're stunning with laminates throughout and an abundance of storage. Finally, the outdoor living space. Covered deck with built-in benches, perfect for entertaining or enjoying a quiet evening overlooking the beautiful fenced backyard. The yard is gorgeous with roses of every color, lilies, tulips, cherry blossom trees, apple trees and so much more. Also,